and above that scale where everything is subjected. As you can see here, this means formatting document. I am going to teach you this. Define basic text processing tips. From help of this scale, we can change the style of the written material. We can change the scale, in which scale we want. We can highlight it and we can do whatever we want. As you can see in picture, this is a fun part of the scale. As you can see in picture, the first is bold, which means we can broaden the size of written text. We can write whole paragraph and select from the starting point to the end point and then select on the bold. Second point is italic. Italic means changing the style of written material. Third is underline. When we write something important and we want to get focused easily on that line, we would that particular point, that is called underline. Fourth, text highlighter. What does it mean? Whenever you read a storybook, you find some line interesting, you mark them from highlighter. That is called text highlighter. Similarly, from the starting point to the point where we mark the para or stanzas are termed as text highlighter. Fifth, strike through. How we can use a strike through? Let's suppose we make a list of the name of a person. How we can identify the person in the list has been called out? It should be strike through method. Sixth is subscript. How we can use subscript? Seventh, subscript, both 6 and 7 point are similar, that is subscript. Try using all these 7 points and you will be easily understand how it is going to be used. I hope it is clear. Let's move to the next slide. Font. What is the meaning of font? We use different styles for writing a particular thing. Whenever we click on the theme fonts, there are various type of fonts available in front of us. We can choose whatever font we want, such as in Hindi language or in any other language. If you want to add font, you can download the software and easily use that font. Next is font size. What should be the size of the font? Whenever we are close to a thing, we can easily see it. But when we are far from the place, we are not able to see the things easily. We can choose whatever size of the font we want from 8 to 72. It is depend on the need of a person. Whatever size they want, they can choose. Text, highlight, color. You have read different kinds of stories, and whenever you like the particular line or stanza, you must have underlined it through the help of highlighter. Similar feature has been indulged in computer. Whenever you like any line or something important to be noticed, you can highlight that particular line from the colors. Font color. You can choose whatever color you want for the font. Similarly, as the theme of font, whatever you want, you can decide whatever color you want for the particular font. Explain spelling and grammatical features. How you can check the grammatical mistake in your stanza or in a particular paragraph. Firstly, you have to click on the Review tab. When you click on the Review tab, so many tabs will open. Then you have to click on the Spelling and Grammar. Spelling and Grammar tab, when you open, there will be a new tab in front of you which shows any of the error in red text. You can click on the change button and choose the suggested word. Word automatically checks your document for spelling. First in blue, second in red and third in grey. Blue wavy line. The use of wrong words. The blue wavy line depicts the wrong of use word in the sentence. If you have written any wrong word, it will shown by the blue wavy line. It will automatically show a blue wavy line whenever a word is in the wrong spelling. For example, if you are trying to write deer, the spelling of deer is D-E-A-R, and by mistake you have written D-E-E-R. It is clearly identified by the computer in blue wavy line that you have done the spelling mistake, or you have used the wrong word instead of the right word. Are you all able to see me, or should I continue the class? Please write in the text if it is visible to you all. Is the voices clear? Okay, let's move forward. Let's take a break.
NIOS, the largest open distance learning system in the world, promotes optimum use of educational technology with a motto to reach the unreached and deprived learners nationwide. NIOS also emphasizes the development of self-reliant India with quality education for the masses by meaningful innovations. NIOS has launched Virtual Open School or VOS platform to provide quality, affordable education to the enrolled learners. This platform has various flexible features. Learners will be able to participate in the live classes on this platform. Trained teachers from across the country will be able to interact and clear doubts of the learners related to their respective subjects online. The recorded videos will also be available on this platform for the learners who missed their live sessions. Learners will also get the facility to submission of online TMA, tutor marks assignment, as well as they will get feedback after the assessment, online examination and practicals direct from home through virtual labs on this innovative platform. This platform is also equipped with artificial intelligence based remote proctored examination and certification facilities. Not only this, learners can get information of Indian knowledge tradition, artificial intelligence, cyber security, mobile technician, retail management, yoga, beauty therapy and many more such courses. Apart from this, skill-based course material and Microsoft course material of NIOS is also available on this virtual open school platform. Along with the creativity development among the learners, now it will be easier to develop employability and ensure access to various job portals. One of the objectives of VOS portal is to make inclusive education accessible to all the Divyang learners through school curriculum, including entrepreneurship and skill development. Registration on Virtual Open School or VOS is free for all the learners till 31st December 2021. No documentation is required along with enrollment number during the registration on Virtual Open School VOS platform. The innovative initiative of NIOS Virtual Open School will also be an incomparable step towards achieving the objectives for ODL with the insight of National Education Policy 2020. So dear learners, start study with the NIOS Virtual Open School today and move forward to secure future.
I have explained the first part. Let's move to the second part. That is red wavy line. Red wavy line depicts wrong spelling. Whenever there is a spelling error, in a particular word, the red wavy lines appear and it will show that you have written a wrong spelling of particular word. For example, in a paragraph, if you have written a wrong spelling of a particular word, it will automatically detect by the red wavy line. And in the third part, green wavy line shows grammatical error. Whenever there is a grammatical error, it will be shown by the green wavy line. How you can solve the red wavy line? First, you have to do a right click on the mouse. In front of you, there is a tab which shows the correct word. You have to click on the correct word or spelling from the suggestions. For example, you have written a word which is not used by the computer language, and it shows again and again a red line on the word, and you want to delete that red line. You can add that word in the dictionary if you don't want to show as error again. You can also right click a word to add to dictionary. If you see the same mistake again and again and you want to stop that particular mistake, you can click on the particular word so that word will not appear as error again. You can add the word in the dictionary so it can easily appear in the dictionary and it will not appear as the error again. It will get saved automatically by the dictionary. Deleting text. For example, you want to delete a text, first you have to write a particular paragraph, and when reading it, you feel it is not enough, or the particular line you want to delete from that paragraph. You can use the keyboard for deleting the paragraph. You can click on the mouse and select the desired area and click on the delete key that is present on your keyboard. It will erase your sentence. Change character and paragraph format. If you are not able to see, change character and change character and paragraph format. As you can see in the both side of the tab, there is how you can manage the gap and the alignment between the particular paras, or you can change the style of the paragraph. You can do practice from this tab and easily can ensure that. Please do self-practice of all of these and you will learn it. Paragraph formats. Suppose you have a paragraph. There are so many ways to write it or to present it in front of someone. You can present it on left line, or you can select the area of the particular paragraph, and if you wanted to start from the left line, you can click on the particular task and the para will shift on the left line. But if you want the same paragraph in center, you have to click on the center align, that is on the second number from the alignment of paragraph format. On the third, if you want the paragraph on the right side, you can connect it on the right alignment, that is on third number. And if you want the para in middle or in the full form of the page, then you will click on the fourth part, that is justify. You all know you can increase indent left indent and right indent. For example, you have written a paragraph and on the next paragraph you want everyone to stay focused and look from one part to the second part particularly. You can select the particular area and move it in the desired form. If you want it inwards or you want it in outward. Line spacing. Line spacing is the particular gap you want between your paragraph, that is line spacing. line spacing can be determined as 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 or 3. Border and shading. What does it mean by border and shading? If you want a particular border out of your written material, you can click on the particular tab, that is border and shading, and choose the desired form of the border you want. For example, you can choose the desired kind of border you want, such as you can see, different type of borders in the slide. How many shadow you want particular, how many lines you want in particular. There are different kind of borders you want. Page formatting. How you can choose the layout of the page. Maybe few of you want something to be printed out on the half page and something to be printed out on the full page. So how you can check the page layout? You have to click on the tab, that is page layout, and a table will appear in front of you. As you can see, the red marks on the PPT will show you how paper margin will appear when the printed material come out. For example, if your boss has told you that he wants a particular point on a single page, how you can print it out? You can manage it in the page layout and you can check it before the printing, that how it will appear on the printed form. So you can adjust the leftover material which is coming on the next page by changing the font size. Now, the orientation. How you want a particular thing to be orientated, that is in portrait form or in landscape form. You can give both the printout, that is portrait or landscape. You can use it according to your desire and that will show the orientation of the page. Next is bullets and numbers. If there is something important, it should be informed in bullets form or the number form. You have to choose the desired paragraph or select the area from where you want to put bullet marks. And it will be easy for you to show it in the form of bullets, or if you want to show numbers on the paragraph, you can also do it by clicking on the bullet and numbers format. Header and footer. What does it mean by header? Header is the heading from where we are going to start our paragraph or our particular information. For example, if you have ever visited doctor, you can see the doctor used the same format, header and footer, for the patient slip. In front of the header, your name has been mentioned, your phone number, your age and what sexuality you belongs. And in the last, on the footer area, the name of the doctor, area and the phone number has been mentioned. That is called header and footer. We can fix it for the one time and automatically get the printed material for so many. That is called header and footer. Page number. Page number is the particular number of the page which is appear when we use the page, so we will get not confused and easily take out the prints. For example, we can easily practice it and put the page number and header footer in the Microsoft Word, so it will not get messed up and we can easily take the printouts. It is important while taking the printout. Deleting a page break. You press enter for each time for a new page. When you want a new page, you can click on the enter, and by tapping on the particular key from a keyboard, you will get a page break. Page break is breaking off the page from 1 to the desired number. That is called page break. Cut, copy, paste and save. These are the important tools in a computer. How you can use these features from the keyboard? What is the meaning of cut? Cut means cutting down of paper. Or what does the meaning of copy? Copy means doing the same thing whatever has written in the format. For example, choosing first line from the last to the last line and pasting it on the another place. That is copy and pasting is included in it. Whenever we cut a particular area from one place to one place, we tap on copy, we copy the sentence or the statement and we put it on the another place. That is pasting. And in the last, we can do anything from it. Maths, English, science, social science, etc. We can cut, copy and paste. It is important part of computer. Control plus C is equal to copy. Control plus X is equal to cut. We can easily cut the one format to another and copy it and paste it to the another place. That is called cut, copy, paste, where we paste the similar thing whatever has written in the previous time. Paste is the feature which we have taught you. That means copying the item and pasting it on a one particular place. That is called paste. And then the last, save. Whatever you have written or whatever you have cut, copy, paste, you have to save it first, so it can be prevented from losing your data or whatever you have written. So whenever you come back, you can easily find your data and start working it. Control plus S is equal to save. These four features has most important value in the computer, that is cut, copy, paste and save. We can do it easily from the help of keyboard. Now, so far the chapter has been finished. Let's move on to the exercise part of the lesson. Now we are going to do multiple choice questions, that is MCQ. The shortcut key to insert a new line is, what is the shortcut key to insert a new line? Option A, enter. B, shift plus enter. C, alt plus enter. What do you think? Please write it in chat box. Whatever you think, please write in chat box. You can write in chat box all of your answers so we can get it easily. Okay, few of you have answered or maybe few have question. Please wait. Let's move to the next question. The next question is, to print a document, what we can do? Or what command we should have to do on the computer through using shortcut keys. That is Ctrl plus P, B Alt plus P or Shift plus P. Please write it in chat box. Few of you are saying Alt plus P. You all answered it right. Ctrl plus P is print. The next question is, what is the default extension for MS Word file? Part A, .doc. Part B, .jpg or Part C, .text. What you guys think is the right answer? Please write it in chat box. All of you has chosen option A as the right option. You are right, but what is the meaning of JPG? It is related to image. Fourth, Times New Roman, Comic Sans and Calibri are called fonts, variations or font size. What do you think is the right answer? Please write it in chat box. No, you're guessing it wrong. It's not font size. Please try again. Few have answered that is font size. Please, it is a wrong answer. Think again and answer wisely. Okay, option B is wrong. Okay, you have now answered it wrong. I'll answer it from my side. It's font. Times Roman, Comic Sans and Calibri are called the fonts. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Hope you will do more practice and learn it. Which of the following is the shortcut key to undo the last section in the MS Word? Without using the mouse, you have only used the keyboard. What is the right option you think? A, B, C, D, Control plus Z, Control plus Y, Control plus X or Control plus V? What do you think is the right answer? Please write in chat box. Okay. Those who are guessing the option D, Control plus D, is the wrong option. Please think wisely and once again. Yes, option A is the right option. Few of you have answered it correctly. Option A is the right. Control plus Z is the shortcut key to undo the last action in the MS Word. That is Control plus Z. Write the name of alignments which are available in MS Word 2007. What do you think is the right option? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know the meaning of alignment? Please write it. What do you think is the possible alignments in the MS Word 2007? Please write it. Please write it and send it into the chat box. Okay, I'll answer it. The 4 alignments are left alignment, center, right alignment and justify. These are the 4 alignment in MS Word 2007. 7th, write the shortcut keys to format the text style bold, italic and underline. You have to write the shortcut keys for the 3 options, that is bold, italic and underline. Please write your answers in chat box. You have to mention the shortcut key which you has to use whenever you do these things in MS Word, that is bold, italic or underlining. Okay, let's move forward. I'll answer. For bold, we can do Control plus B. For italic, we can do Control plus I, and for underline, we can do Control plus U, and it will automatically appear. You can use mouse and keyboard both. Please practice more so you can do it better. The chapter has been finished. Now exercise has finished. I hope you have understood and do the practices also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you. Namaste.